Looking to connect your devices and unsure whether to pick KDE Connect or Phone Link? Let me help you out. Today we are comparing two popular tools that connect your phone to your computer seamlessly. Both KDE Connect and Phone Link let you transfer files, view notifications, and share clipboards between devices. They work across different platforms to keep you connected. KDE Connect started as a Linux tool but expanded to Windows and Android. It offers features like remote input control, media playback handling, and even running commands on your computer from your phone. It works best in the KDE Plasma desktop environment but functions on others too. PhoneLink is Microsoft's official solution for connecting Windows and Android devices. It integrates deeply with Windows, letting you access photos, messages, and apps directly from your PC. It works best with Samsung phones and Surface devices but supports many Android phones now. The main difference is platform focus and integration depth. KDE Connect aims for broad cross-platform compatibility with many customization options. PhoneLink focuses on tight Windows integration with a simpler setup process. For features, KDE Connect offers more advanced options like using your phone as a presentation remote or touchpad. PhoneLink provides better screen mirroring and app streaming on supported devices. Both handle file transfers and notifications well. Pricing is free for both. KDE Connect is open source with no cost. PhoneLink comes free with Windows and works without extra charges. So, which one fits you? If you use Linux or want maximum customization, KDE Connect is your choice. If you use Windows daily and want simple integration, Phone Link works better. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.